Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error. The disk check could not be performed because Windows cannot access the disk. And now let's get started. If you are facing the common Windows error stating that a disk check could not be performed because Windows cannot access the disk, do not worry. We have a couple of effective solutions for you. First, let us try a command prompt fix. Open your Windows search bar and type command prompt. Then, right-click on the result and select Run as Administrator. Instead of using the general check disk command, you will want to use a more specific one for the affected drive. Type the following command and press Enter, canch, followed by a space, then a /, then the letter F, followed by a space, and finally the letter of the drive you want to check, for example, D:. So the command would look like chkdsk/fd. Another method involves using the built-in drive checking tool. Navigate to this PC. Right-click on the disk drive that is causing the error. From the context menu, select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Tools tab. Under the Error Checking section, click on the Check button. This will initiate a scan of the drive for errors. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.